Hello class 10. In my last video, I told you about that different people have different developmental goals and goals are conflicting also. It means that at a time what may be development for one may not be development for the other, and it might be destruction for the other people. And for example, an industrialist would like to have more dams because it will generate more electricity and reduce the cost of production in his industries, and it will cut the cost of production also and make him to earn more profit. Next thing is that there are mixed goals, means there are variety of things that people desire from development. Means they do not ask only one thing from development. They do not ask only the material things. Material things means only earning money is not enough. They would also like to raise the quality of their life. Means they'll seek security, they seek better opportunity, they seek future growth and many more things. So development means does not asking or desiring or aspiring for one goal. So development is a means people look at mix of goals, that women, those who are engaged in paid work, their dignity in the household and society increases. Means those who go out, means women especially, if they go out to earn money or bring money for the family, their dignity and respect in the family or society increases. And sharing of housework and a greater acceptance of women working outside, means they are accepted more in the house and in the society also when they start going out and bring money. So a safe and secure environment may allow more women to take up a variety of, so not only the money they would like to have or respect in the family, they would also like, or it should be present a safe and secure environment for them, so that more and more women should come out and go to work out from their home to bring money and raise the standard of living of the family. It means that development has too many goals or too many aspirations that people would like to have, and many things. Not only we want to earn more, we also want freedom, we also want security, we also want better opportunity and friends and a circle, better environment, working environment, etc. Next topic is that income and what are the other goals that people would like to have from development. Okay, income is the most important thing that people would like to have from development, because more income will make him to spend more or buy more of the things, and it will raise his standard of living and make his life more satisfied. But other things are also very important. When we go for a job, we do not see only the salary, what the firm or what the company or the organization would give. We also see the working environment, we also see whether we would have better prospect for future in future or not. So apart from salary, there are other things also, means income and other goals. This is the topic that I have to discuss with you. Income is not the only thing that people would like to have. There are too many other things that we want. But the quality, because the quality of life does not depend only on the income that we earn. It depends on the security, it depends on the bigger opportunity, it depends on the working environment, friendship, family, etc. So these things are also very important in our life. So development doesn't mean only economic development or quantity wise we are increasing. We also want to add quality in our life. Quality life means bigger or greater opportunity, life without discrimination, secured life for everyone, etc. And there would be fair and just means rule and regulations for everyone. So development, we know that different people have different developmental goals because they live in different situations, they come from different background or categories, and that is why their needs are different. That I've already discussed in my previous class. Landless labor, what he would like from development, he would like that he would get regular work, he would get better wages, he would get local school that will provide quality education to his children. But a rich farmer, his developmental goals will be different from the poor farmer. Why? Because the rich farmer, he would like to raise the MSP by putting pressure on the government, and this MSP, that the crop that he sells to the government, and that will make him to earn more high or assured income, and to settle his children abroad, he would like to have from his rich income. And then he would also like to have cheap labor. In one way we have seen that laborer would like to get better wages, and in the second thing what we see that the rich farmer, those who have employed them or those who are engaging them on their farm, they would like to give them less wages and to get more profit or earn more profit, or make them to work more for them, to grow more and sell more and earn bigger profit. So developmental goals are different for different people because the needs of the people vary, the needs of the categories of the people vary, and there are so many things that we would like from development. So things are: number one, development goals vary, and because of the needs, because of the situations, because of the category. Number two, what may be development for one may not be development for the other. And number three, there are too many things, means developmental goals means mixed goals, too many things, not only one thing we would like from development, so many other things which add value and quality to our life is also very important. Thank you.